So how can you draw on your video in a Capcut? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, the way I like to do it is that I go to my Notes app and I go to this like empty page where you obviously can see that every single thing is like out of the way. So we only have like a blank page, and I can click on the pencil tool or the markup tool, and in here I can draw whatever I want, right? But the point is that I'm gonna before turn on the screen recording feature so I get everything captured, right? I wait for the screen recording to start. I can draw whatever I want in here, right? Change the colors and whatnot. And once I'm ready, I'm gonna stop the video recording. I will then move back to the Capcut where I will import the screen recording. I will select it on the timeline and click on the overlay feature, which will make it go on the top of my existing videos below, right? So you can see I can move it around and do whatever I need. But the point is that I'm going to click on the delete background button, pick the chroma key option where I specifically decide which color should be removed. In my case, it's going to be the white background. And if I delete the white background like this, I'm only left with the actual drawing, right? So the thing which I've been drawing before in the notes has now been imported to my Capcut, laying on the top of my existing footage, and it adds a very nice effect. Obviously, you just need to be creative with this, but the possibilities are endless with this. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you managed to pull it off on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.